What's the beginning sound in the word licorice? L is the beginning sound in licorice. What's the beginning sound in the word cat? C is the beginning sound in the word cat. What's the beginning sound in the word French fries? F is the beginning sound in French fries. What's the beginning sound in the word pig? P is the beginning sound in pig. What's the beginning sound in the word jewels? J is the beginning sound in jewels. What's the beginning sound in the word money? M is the beginning sound in money.